Well, I just enjoyed a glass of wine with two strangers in this beautiful scenery here. I'm at Gap Lake, just outside of Canmore. I observed these two people having some food outside their camper van. They gave me a friendly wave hello, and I said hello to them as well. And I recognized they had an accent. I asked where they're from. They said Germany. And I said, oh, if you're looking for some ideas of things to do in the area, I have some ideas, because I do work as a tour guide. They invited me to sit down with them, and I shared some tips of things they could do. And in doing so, yeah, they invited me to have a glass of wine with them, and I did. And we had lots of laughs and talked about traveling and talked about, of course, the area, and just shared stories as if we were old friends. But in fact, we just met. And I think this is one of the most beautiful things about travelers, or as I say in the Talk to More People book, the traveler's mindset, is that whether you're in your hometown or visiting another country, you have the opportunity to imagine that you're traveling. You have the opportunity to exist with a perspective that everything is an adventure, and everyone who you could meet could lead to some sort of adventure. So I just really celebrate the time that we shared together. As I see them packing up their van now to move on, and offer this video as a reminder that if you're open to it, like if you are present and notice what's going on around you, then you can strike up a conversation with people who you don't know by exercising that curiosity and by being friendly, perhaps by offering some help, or in this case I offered a little knowledge, and you can be rewarded with some really nice moments of human connection. So from Gap Lake here on this beautiful July day, wish you all the best. I invite you to stay connected. Oh, and by the way, if you want some tips on how to connect with people the way I have a tendency to do, check out the Talk to More People book at talktomorepeople.com. There's a slew of resources on how to connect with people, like how to actually get into conversations with people, even if you're not an extroverted person, as I can be from time to time. Check it out. Bye for now.